Hello everyone. For this training session, we are covering Job Master Configuration. Let's begin with the definition. A Job Master is a comprehensive and standardized profile that defines a specific job role within an organization. It details the key responsibilities, required qualifications, essential skills, and performance expectations associated with the role. This serves as a critical reference for defining the scope of the role and is instrumental in supporting recruitment, training, and performance management processes. Here is the use case. An organization needs to standardize its job roles. To ensure clarity, consistency, and alignment with strategic goals, the company implements job masters to clearly define each role's responsibilities, skills, qualifications, and expected outcomes. For example, if there is a need to configure a software developer role in the system, the corresponding job master would include responsibilities such as developing and maintaining software applications, collaborating with cross-functional teams, and meeting specified technical requirements. There are certain steps to configure a job master in the Onfinity system. The system administrator logs into the Onfinity system. You navigate to the menu, then to HR management, then to General Setup, and finally to Job Screen. In the Job Screen, click on Create New Record. You enter all the relevant job details. Save the record to complete the configuration. For a note on prerequisites, before creating a new job master, you must ensure that the associated job family is already defined in the system. The job family acts as a higher-level classification and must be set up in advance. To execute the use case, the administrator logs into the system. You navigate to Menu, then to HR Management, then to General Setup, and finally to Job Window. You then create a new record and input all the required job-related information. You save the record to finalize the job configuration. We will now go through the steps of configuring a job master within the Onfinity system. To begin, navigate to the login screen. You can enter your user ID and password to access the system. Upon a successful login, you will land on the home page, which contains various widgets. The widget data will populate once transactional data is available. For navigation to Job Configuration, go to the main menu. You then navigate to HR Management, then to General Setup, and finally to Job Screen. In the Job Screen, click on Create New Record to begin configuring a new job. To fill in job master details, we first go to the Organization field. If the configuration should apply to all organizations, you can select Star. To define the job for a specific organization, you enter the organization's name. For this scenario, we are using Star to apply the configuration across all organizations. The job code is a unique identifier for the job. The system can auto-generate the job code if it is left blank, or it can be manually entered. The job name is where you enter the name of the job being created. For example, software developer. In the progression job field, you can define the next level job an employee would move to upon promotion. For example, senior software developer. You then enter the start date when this job becomes active. You can also enter an end date if it is applicable and when the job will no longer be available. You will also select the relevant job family that this role belongs to. For example, IT. The job family must be predefined before creating the job master. You will also specify the management level of the job, which can be junior management, middle management, or senior management. We can indicate whether the job is regular or temporary, or full-time or part-time under the employment type. For medical checkup requirement, if a medical checkup is mandatory for the job, you can check the medical checkup required option. Once all the required fields are completed, save the record. The system will generate a job code if it was not entered manually. This completes the process of configuring a job master in the Onfinity system. That concludes this session. Thank you for attending.